Greetings one and all. Happy Friday, everyone. The start of a new weekend. Unfortunately, a work-filled weekend for me. I worked both days, so my weekend is shot. I also owe everyone an apology because I did a community tab post and I said, you want me to go to the park or the national forest? And I worked the day before, and I woke up Sunday just super tired, just massively low energy. I literally just sat on the edge of the bed for like 5 minutes just going, So I ended up just going to the park after about 2.5 hours of just sitting around trying to recoup some energy. You know, I had some oatmeal, had some orange juice. About 2.5 hours later, went and did a little hike. Actually, I think a spur of the moment, kind of an interesting video, which I'm going to probably put up tomorrow. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. So again, my apologies for that, but you know, it is what it is. And then I got to work all this weekend, so, but I might try to get out next week and do a cooking video, so all is not lost. And I'm liking the money, so. And I literally just filmed a giveaway video for tomorrow, so, you know, we're doing giveaways too, so. And I got a dog visiting me. Hey, buddy. Slipped my mind, almost forgot. I got this week's, I got a mail call, and I got this week's channel shout out, so let's do that.
We got ourselves a mail call.
Alrighty, before we draw this week's shout out, let's do a little mail call. I already know what both these are. One is a sticker from Mr. BC Gerbs, an awesome guy. We got a note too. I will read that off camera. Oh, and he packed that sticker up good. Come on out. Yep. That tape. Oh, tape stuck. Well, actually the tape did me a favor because it pre-pulled the... Sweet. So, we got a sticker from Mr. BC Gerbs. So, shout out for him. Link will be in the description. Awesome guy. Doing some really cool stuff on his channel. Highly recommend. Nothing but nice things to say. Our northern brother from Canada. That's cool. I will definitely read your note off camera, brother. And then we got a package. Now, I had actually won a giveaway from my buddy Chris over at BarnYard Outdoors. And he sent me the Swiss Army knife Huntsman. Now, I carry an SAK every day, but I don't actually own the Huntsman, so it's very cool. Get that out of there. Come on, packaging. Plastic's like the Fort Knox of packaging. So it comes with a very cool little leather case. Very nice. And the Huntsman comes with all the tools we've come to know and respect. We got blades in here. We got knife in here. Several knives. An underrated item, I think, is scissors. Always very handy to have scissors. Corkscrew. Sweet. Another toothpick. Oh no, these are tweezers. Tweezers and then a toothpick, which I've actually used, and it's been a lifesaver. So, very cool. Thank you, brother. SAK is always a win. Nice. Alright, let's go ahead and jump on this week's channel shout out. I'm getting a little low on these. Oh no, these are the ones I've already drawn. What am I doing? Durr. I've already drawn these. Wrong bag. See if I can get one to, oh, we got one to fly out. Sweet. Alright, we got this week. It is, oh, sweet. Chris's Variety Channel. Real good dude. I will link his channel below as well. Alright. Alrighty. So what we got here is these were actually sent to me by a viewer, and these are a DIY fire starter. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do a dryer lint. I told him I would check them out, and I just hadn't gotten to them yet. So sorry about that, brother. Looks like they're a wax with a cotton top. So we're gonna hit those with a lighter and see how well they burn. I got kind of a baggie of them. I'm also going to strike up some dryer lint because why not? I'll light this guy first. Took right off pretty much. Where's my striker? Got my little Farsteel.com scraper on a little carabiner. And I just got my, I think it's a Coughlin's Fire Steel. Wow, and it came right out of the handle. What the heck? I didn't see that coming. It's not the first time that's happened either. I mean, what the heck? This dryer lint's surprising me. It should fire right up. There we go. Now I will say too, is I actually wash. You know, I don't dry my synthetic shirts, but I do dry my wool socks and my synthetic underwear. So there could be a little bit of that in there, but other than a few first strikes, it did light right up, and I can't believe that popped off like that. Dang. I'll have to look into re-gluing it. Or maybe someone will take pity on me and turn me a ferro rod handle. Because I don't have a lathe. So, well, that fire starter is really going off nice. Only the top's burning so far. I like that. I like that quite a bit. The cotton, the dryer lint's kind of turned into a sort of an ember. Do I have I should have. Do I have my pocket bellows? I know I didn't take it out. Dang it. But it pays to be organized. Huh. Well, damn. I'm sure I didn't take my pocket bellows out. Oh, here it is. My ember might be gone, or almost gone. Well, that thing's burning nice. I'm kind of just letting it go, but it's got a lot of burn on it. Yeah, it's out. Did get a little blaze out of it though, but liking that fire starter. This thing is money. I'd have no problem carrying that in my kit. Well, that is a nice long burn time. I mean, I've got the camera on 5 minutes now, and it's just chugging right along. Color me impressed. I'm gonna have to ask him how he makes them. I have no problem carrying those in my bag. Sweet. Well, I'm not going to let the camera run the whole time, so let's see. It is 9:23. I'll bring it back when it finally burns. So it's 9:29 right now. Looks like it finally kind of petered out. That's still that's about what? Well, still had a nice ember. You probably could have scooped that into a bird nest and blew it to life. Yeah, I like that a lot, brother. I like that. It's good stuff. Well, alrighty. A little too high. As always, I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Chris's Variety channel down in the description. Also, BarnYard Outdoors, his channel. Appreciate the Huntsman brother. It's an awesome little Swiss Army knife. Big fan. I don't have it on with me today, but I'll probably add it to rotation at some point. And thank you, brother, for the DIY fire starters. Those are pretty sweet. That's probably a good 10-minute bird time. I might do a timed test. I gotta play with the settings on the Nikon and see about getting the see if there's a time lapse and get the time lapse working on it. So that might be kind of fun, watching it burn in high speed. Anyway, have a great weekend. We'll catch you next time. I got a new video coming up tomorrow and Sunday, so have a great weekend, and we'll catch you next one.